Have you ever wanted to do limit orders just like in the stock market? Well, you are lucky since you can do this with ApeSwap. Hi, I'm Tim, and today I am going to show you how to do limit orders on ApeSwap. If you don't know what a limit order is, let me show you. Normal orders made on ApeSwap are market orders, which are orders to buy or sell a coin at the market's current price. A market order typically ensures an execution, but it does not guarantee a specified price. Market orders are optimal when the primary goal is to execute the trade immediately. A limit order is an order to buy or sell a coin with a restriction on the maximum price to be paid or the minimum price to be received, the limit price. If the order is filled, it will only be at the specified limit price or better. However, there is no assurance of execution. A limit order may be appropriate when you think you can buy at a price lower than, or sell at a price higher than, the current quote. A stop order is an order to buy or sell a coin at the market price once the coin has traded at or through a specified price, the stop price. If the coin reaches the stop price, the order becomes a market order and is filled at the next available market price. If the stock fails to reach the stop price, the order is not executed. So, if you want to make a limit or stop loss order on ApeSwap, head to www.autoswap.trade, connect your wallet and make sure that you are on ApeSwap's router, by checking the top right icon. In this case we will do a limit order. Select the token you want to give and the token you want to receive. We will buy banana with BUSD. Write the amount of tokens you want to give and it will automatically calculate the amount of tokens that are worth that at the current market price. To change this, you can write the rate you want to receive per one token you give, or directly change the tokens you want to receive. Once you write it, allow AutoSwap to use your tokens, click Place the order, and confirm it. Then, you will see the order below, on Open. It will be executed whenever it meets the price, or you can cancel it by clicking Cancel. Don't forget to like, comment, share on social media, and subscribe if you learned something, so that you don't miss the next videos.